Good morning, everyone. We're at the scram job. Let's go take a walk around back. This is all the new materials now. This is all the new materials. So let's go take a look around back here. This is a job that we had to take up all the materials. The customer made the mistake and bought let's put it bluntly, they bought for the cheapest price. They spent $6,000 on this job, and we had to take it all up because it's all on a slope. You can probably even see the slope from here. So all of this had to get taken up. They did it 1 year ago. They spent $6,000. Now they're spending $9,000 for us to come back and fix it. And they are adding a little bit of stuff. They are adding on this side, we're adding some columns, some landscape, lighting. But look at all these pavers that had to come up. The whole job. The whole, you see the angle? See how they started off at pretty much 1.5 inches, then they went all the way down. They put them on that angle. You can't do that. You can't sit in your chair sideways. It just, your chair rocks. It's just not good business. So what we got here is a job that we totally took everything out. All this material, we're gonna reuse some of it. We're gonna try our best to reuse a lot of it. And all that big stack you're seeing out front is gonna be reinstalled and blended in. So stay tuned for more pictures. This is day one, and this is what happens when unfortunately some people make the mistake of getting talked in to buy it for the best price. So not always a wise decision. But y'all have a blessed day, and we are gonna turn this into something beautiful. We'll see you soon.